How to become a millionaire in 10 steps. 1. Invest in appreciating assets. The best way to wind up broke is by trying to live the lifestyles of celebrities. Too many wealthy athletes, entertainers, and movie stars have blown through fortunes by spending millions on Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Lamborghinis, mansions, and lavish vacations. Cars, clothes, electronics, shoes, and belts are depreciating assets. Status symbols make you look wealthy but will leave you in the poorhouse. Your money needs to be invested in assets that are increasing your net worth and not decreasing it. Real estate, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are income-appreciating assets. Whenever you buy expensive items that decrease in value, you are making someone else rich. Whenever you purchase assets that increase in value, you are making yourself rich. The choice is yours. Would you rather look like you are rich or actually be rich? Check out multiplymymoney.com.